Hey guys, it's Ranga. Hey guys, I'm back to play Will You Press the Button? I've never played this and it looks really fun, so let's see. You can pass every college course you take, but every professor you have is an incompetent idiot that can barely speak English, and you will have them for minimum 6 years. Yes. I press the button. What is happening? Okay. Next dilemma. You can speak English. You can speak any language fluently. You have to maintain a vegan. No, I cannot live without my non-veg. I cannot live without non-veg. I cannot live without the non-veg. Cannot. I just cannot. Loud, quicker. Guys, I don't know. My Wi-Fi broke. I don't know what happened. So I'll just talk to you. I'm rapidly sparing this. This won't work. God, what have I done? Okay. Why would you press that? Probably veg ready. Arnav is leaving, like my really good mate. So, yeah, we have a series with him. We'll probably take the series down. Don't know. You will have big breasts if you're a girl, and if you're a boy, you'll have big muscles. It'll only last 30 minutes every day. Heck yeah! If you already had muscles, 50-50. We want with more peoples. Yeah, swaggy dog. $100 will magically appear on your wallet or pocket for every day for the rest of your life. You will never know how to drive. You will always crash if you do. That's a hard one. I could just hire a driver. Bam. You could just hire a driver. How stupid are you? You are fluent in any language of your choosing every day. Okay. Every day of your life. You forget how to speak your first language for 15 hours. Yes, because Indian is my first language, which is not that popular. It is popular, but it's like not that. I don't know how to explain it. Shut up. But I'd rather I'll press the button basically. I don't know how to explain stuff. Next dilemma. You can speak any foreign language fluently. You won't be. No. That means I can't make YouTube videos. Because most of you guys, I don't think you can speak. Like most of your English, you'll probably be able to understand like other languages, but like. Actually, that question for the comments. How many languages can you speak? I will not, but how many languages can you speak? I will. I'm too lazy to count. You will never have problems interacting with other people socially. You will live rest of your life poor in a crummy apartment. Well, I could just I will live. No, man, I need my luxury. Yeah, I need my luxury like you guys. 67 did not. Good job. You're smart people. You can speak and understand every languages existing on Earth, but you can't speak either English or your native language anymore, and you never will again. No, I need English. I cannot live without English. I can live without Indian, but I can't live without English, man. What? You press the button? My God. World peace, hunger is non-existent. Everyone in the world is happy. You have to move to another planet where there's no peace. Everyone is hungry and happiness does not exist. I mean, it's 7.12 billion against 1. So, at least I'd be known as amazing. I'd known as the king. I think, I actually qualify. No, because most people are just like, I'm coward, I'm a big potty. Which is poof in Indian. You become president of United States. You are in a depression and at war with Russia. No, I do not want to mess with the world. Plus, I'm not even American, so I don't really care. Yeah, I wouldn't have either. Good job, you 71% people. You become the world's smartest person in one subject. Can be switched once in a year. Okay, can switch once in a year. You can't do anything normal thing. Cook, clothe yourself, eat, need to be fed, and so on. No, if you can't cook, then I have a maid. I have my mom. But like in school, what will I do? Like in swimming and PE. You can turn invisible whenever you want. Every time you're invisible, you eat 1,000 times faster. It's a hard one. This is a really hard one. I could just like use it once a leap year, right? No. No, I don't want to die of old age. I'm sorry, I just cannot. Good job, you other 69%. 31, I see what you're doing. See Tupac perform, but he's covering Lil Wayne. I do not know what Tupac is. What is Tupac? What is Tupac? Oh. Gangster rap. Okay. I don't see why not. I don't know what's so bad about Tupac and Lil Wayne. Yeah, good point. Lil Wayne. Life gives you lemons, but you can't use them to make lemonade. My friend will make lemonade. Genius. Good job, 67%. This will probably be the last one. Have any job you want with working knowledge of the whole field so long as you hold the job. Totally income caps at 100,000 annually. 13-hour days that start at 7 a.m. You cannot live within 10 kilometers of the company. I do not understand. Too complicated for my brain. No, we're doing another one. That was too complicated for my brain to understand. I don't know. You become extremely attractive. I'm already the most attractive person in the world. World is what I meant to say. You're the opposite gender and get attracted to opposite gender from before. I'm a female. I cannot be a female. That's a hard one because if you're fine with your gender and you don't want to change, then you do I will not. But if you don't like your gender, then you would click the button. But I like my gender, but I don't see what's too bad in being a woman. And I watched this video which proves women are more likely to survive a bullet than a man. So, yes, I will press the button. Wait, I was gonna do one. Fine, this will be my last one. You go back in time and to change one mistake, you will lose and be unable to get back and any profit you may have gotten from this mistake. Yeah, sure, why not? 51 did not. Wow, so close. Only got for like 1,000. Anyway, guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and bye.